Welcome everybody back to Wolfpack Fishing. Haven't posted any footage for a month. Been busy working, had some stuff going on. Really sucked, you know, but it's great to be out here on the boat. Brought the boat out, started up right at the home, was playing with me a little bit. Oh yeah, no wake back there. You know, was acting up a little bit when we first got out, but running good now. I am out here with Daniel, Riverville, and Snow, and he's all decked out in Ohio center pin gear there. So we are out here at a Westbranch reservoir. Water is pretty stained back here where we're fishing, but the musky are getting pretty shallow. It's definitely getting overcast now, and we are going for them big old muskies. So we're gonna get to the first spot I want to try and gonna get on it. See if we get any good fish today. Right here. So we're gonna go a little flashier with a little bit of sound, some rattles here. I'm gonna hook up my favorite here. What I hooked into my biggest one ever on out here, Snow. Right here. Yeah, the old pumpkin seed. Baby's a killer.
Well, we ain't too far apart.
I like that bluegill pattern though. Does it rattle? No, no rattles. See, I wanted the rattles. All right, old rattler.
Oh, is that like an HRT lure?
Yeah, yep. Give it some rattles in it.
Oh, I gotta follow, dude.
Did you?
Yeah. I just saw him tail up right behind the bait.
Did you really? No way.
Yeah, tail right up behind it, bro. Straight out here, toward that wind water here.
What, he tailed up right behind it while it was floating?
Either it was a big fucking shad, but I saw it right there.
Well, we've been fishing just a few minutes so far. Did one little drift through there. The water's pretty stained today. I'm started off with a bucktail here, trying to get the vibration in the stained water, but I think I'm gonna switch over to a glide bait. Check out this glide bait, Snow. Oh, where the heck? There it is. Right here. Good old phantom. Last time here I hooked into I threw this out here, right back in here. I hooked into 3 of them back in here on the bay on this glide bait right here. Phantom. It's time for that BBS here. Big black spinner. Throwing some big old double 10s. See if we can get out some real disturbance out here. Old BBS, no. Big black spinner. one is now. Where's that big 40-incher? I don't want to get greedy and ask for a 50, but
I'm asking for a 50. I'll take a 40. I'll take a 30. I'll take an 18, bro.
I won't take an 18.
Sure would like that 50.
I've been trying for that 50 forever. And I can't get out of that mid-40s. Well, came back out here to the main lake. See if we can do any good out here. Water is a lot clearer out here. This lake is really high right now, but didn't do anything way back in there, so I forgot my fish finder. I don't know exactly where this drop is, but I kind of know where I'm at here, so we'll give it a go. Well, unfortunately, we came out here to the main lake. The water is a lot clearer. We made it all the way down by the dam, and lower unit gave out in the motor. Quit going into gear, so got this old Optima, you know, one of the 6-pack Joe batteries. What is that, 915? The 8-year-old battery there. So we're going at it here. We're inching our way back to the West End boat ramp. It's 3.5 miles away, so kind of just praying that we can get on back. Change of plans now. We're gonna head on up there to Lake Erie tonight and do a little short casting, huh? See if we can get in on something up there, huh?
At this point, the choices are running a little slim, so once we get through this prayer session,
yeah,
re-gear and go again.
We're about halfway back to the boat ramp, so hopefully this battery gets us on back. If not, we've got some paddles up there under snow. We'll see what happens. So that's going to be it for this portion of the video, and we'll see you guys up there on the shoreline of Lake Erie tonight. Well, we're up here on the rocks of Lake Erie, up here on the shoreline tonight. Made it up here with Justin and Sebastian. We got Justin and Sebastian in the house. And unfortunately, out there in Westbranch earlier, my lower unit gave out. We had to paddle forever, anchored down in the wind. It took forever to get back. And then Nick Rhodes over there. We got Nick Rhodes over there. He met some guys at the boat ramp in the last third of the way, man. Saved us from having to paddle back the rest of the way and got us a tow. So now up here at Lake Erie, everybody was leaving with no fish. Still pretty early, but we're gonna start fishing here, seeing if we can get something. It's calm, light south wind, ready to do it.
I shut my cut off somehow.
I'm gonna go with the glow-in-the-dark P10 for starters. One of my old favorites here. This is that custom Viper. We'll pause and twitch, see if they like it. Yeah, I've just been doing so much steelhead fishing, man. I haven't got to fish for a month, and so much steelhead fishing. I just wanted to feel a bite, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
Was that a fish just jumped up over there to your left, or was that your cast?
No, I didn't cast. Like I said, there's been some surface action going on.
Yeah, one just came up to your left over there. That'll be white bass and white perch, you know?
Yeah.
I think they kill the white perch up here like this time of year, don't they?
I know, man. The guy I have doing fish on the east side is swamped with guys catching white perch and bringing it. I was like, people eat those things?
They're supposed to be better than white bass. Like on the East Coast where they belong in the salt water, and brackish water, people eat the heck out of those white perch, so yep. And I mean, white bass are okay too. See that fish just come up in front of you again? White bass ain't bad as long as you ice them quick. It's guys get the stringers, the 30 of them sitting there in that warm water, you know, sitting there baking for 3 hours in the Sandusky, you know.
Killed them all. Me, I got 83 on the run.
You know, man, the last month I've been working 6 days a week out on the road, and it's been rough, man.
It's an hour-and-a-half drive.
I think that's a
Fucking shad?
no, that's not a shad. That might be a bass. No, that's not a shad. I think that's a bass right there. No, that ain't a shad. That's a big fish.
Come on, that's a shad.
No, nothing. No, that ain't a shad.
Marking anything?
Dude, I think that's the biggest bluegill I've ever seen in my life. No, that's a little sheephead.
That's a fucking shad.
Dude, that is not a shad. That's a little sheephead. Look at it.
I will when it comes over.
That's a little sheephead right there. Yeah, that's a little sheephead. You marking anything?
We ain't got no fish finder. You're old school.
Well, they ain't right here.
We just about here.
See, Snow, that's a little sheephead.
Bro,
See?
that is the biggest fucking gizzard shad you've ever seen in your life.
Dude, there's no way. That's a little sheephead.
Dude, I've cooked in some big gizzard shad out
That's a
there.
fucking
14
gizzard.
Dude, that's a 15-inch fish.
Yeah, that's a gizzard shad, bro.
Hey, I was about to say, I just said I hooked into a 14-inch gizzard shad
That's
out
like,
here.
it is definitely one of the biggest ones I've ever seen in my life. The only one I've seen comparable to that, I snagged it from on me.
In like the last.
Well, that's gonna be us done for the night. 1:30 a.m. We gave a pretty good valiant effort here. I had one bump, maybe. Saw a couple fish splash around. Nothing else. A couple guys on the corner had some sheephead. One had one walleye, but heard some gunshots like always up here in Cleveland, and that's gonna be it. No fish today at Westbranch, no fish up here in Cleveland. That's gonna do it. But I'll tell you guys what, was nice to get out today. It's a blessing getting out, relieving that stress, relieving that anxiety, you know, just being out here, huh guys? Yeah, very therapeutic. But 4 of us up here tonight, nothing going on.
Don't count me out, I'm stopping getting tuna.
So, time to head on out.